You've clicked on the right video. Today we're going to uncover why NASA stopped exploring the oceans. So let's dive into it.
While the oceans on our planet are limited, space is infinite and unreachable. For centuries, we've been sailing across the seas, but space exploration is something that only began in the last century. You might think that by now we should know much more about the oceans than about space. Actually, no. Today, the oceans contain far more mysteries for us than space does. Even though we've been navigating the oceans for a very long time, most of them remain unexplored. Since 1969, 12 humans have walked on the surface of the moon, but only 3 people have ever been able to reach the deepest part of the ocean, the Mariana Trench. Even more surprising, about 71% of our planet is covered by oceans, yet roughly 95% of them remain undiscovered. This leads to a long-debated question on the internet. Why did NASA stop exploring the oceans? The problem is, the question itself doesn't really make sense. Many platforms online fuel myths and legends, and as a result, people come to believe that the oceans are some kind of mysterious and secret world. From there, claims emerge suggesting that NASA was once involved in ocean exploration but then gave it up. For example, some say that the oceans are simply too deep for NASA's technology, so their instruments would fail. Others claim that the pressure in the deep sea is so extreme that no technology could survive it, forcing NASA to give up. But here's the truth. These are all just myths. NASA never had a mission to explore the oceans in the first place. The agency's purpose is space research. That's what NASA stands for: National Aeronautics and Space Administration. The exploration of the oceans has always been the responsibility of another group, the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, NOAA. While NASA may sometimes collaborate or provide funding, ocean research has never been NASA's main job. That said, NASA is deeply interested in oceans, but not here on Earth. They focus on extraterrestrial oceans hidden beneath ice. After signs of waterbeds were discovered on Mars, NASA turned its attention to Europa, one of Jupiter's moons. Scientists believe that under Europa's thick, icy crust lies a massive ocean, and where there is water, there might be life. NASA is currently working on robots that could one day melt through Europa's ice and reach this potential ocean. These missions would face extreme conditions. Europa's surface temperature can reach hundreds of degrees below zero. Still, the possibility of discovering alien oceans and maybe even life makes Europa one of NASA's most exciting targets. Now, why is it so difficult to explore Earth's oceans? First, satellites can only observe the surface, measuring color, temperature, and level. But when it comes to the deep, satellites can't see through water. Light itself can't penetrate very far below the surface. Beyond about 200 meters, sunlight fades dramatically, making it almost impossible to see. On top of that, the environment is extreme. In the deepest places, the pressure is like having 50 jumbo jets stacked on top of you. The temperature also hovers close to freezing. The coldest recorded point is minus 1.94 degrees Celsius. Even small changes in temperature have huge physical effects underwater. For these reasons, sending a person into space is often easier than sending one to the deepest parts of the ocean. And before we wrap up, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one. Take care.